Good morning everyone. In this video, I will tell you about Asia, climatic and natural vegetation belts. Asia, climatic and natural vegetation belts. Okay. Asia, being a vast continent, has many varieties of climatic and natural vegetation belts. These are the equatorial belt, in this area climate, natural vegetation, and wildlife. Okay, so area. These occurs in the area near the equator. In Indonesia, Malaysia, Sri Lanka and the Philippines. Climate. These areas means the equatorial belt areas get the direct rays of the sun, hence they remain hot throughout the year. There are no seasonal changes in the temperature. Rainfall occurs daily at about 4 p.m. and is of conventional type. It is heavy and with thunder and lightning. Now natural vegetation. These forests have tall trees. They are very dense, broad leaf trees forming a thick canopy. Hence sunlight cannot penetrate easily. There is a dense undergrowth of lianes and creepers. The forests are very dark and damp. The important trees are teak, sal, rosewood, ebony and mahogany. Since all the trees do not shed their leaves at the same time, they are called evergreen trees. Wildlife. Monkeys, sloth, tree frog and lizards live here. A variety of birds are also found here. The swamps are full of crocodiles, alligators. Many areas were cleared of the forest and plantation. Farming was carried on by the Europeans. Rubber, tea, cocoa, coffee are grown here. Now the monsoon. Monsoon belt or the monsoons. The monsoons region. Okay. In this we will discuss area, climate, natural vegetation, and wildlife. Now see the areas in the monsoon region. The areas under this type of climate include India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia, Philippines and southern China. Climate. These regions have hot, wet summers and cool, dry winter. Hot, wet summers. Hot, wet summers and cool, dry winters. They are under the influence of the monsoon winds. These blow from the sea to the land in the summer and bring heavy rainfall to the coastal areas and windward side of the mountains. The leeward side of the mountains and the interior of the land masses receive less rainfall. Natural vegetation. The nature of the vegetation is dense evergreen deciduous forests are found in the area of heavy rainfall. Less dense deciduous trees grow in areas of lesser rainfall. These are broadleaves hardwood trees which shade their leaves just before the dry winter season. The important trees of this forest are teak, sal, shisham, bamboo and sandalwood. Wildlife. The common animals found in this region are elephant, tigers, leopards, monkeys, deer, rhinoceros, a variety of snakes, the Asiatic lion. So these things related to monsoon regions. Next, now the desert regions. The desert region are two types. The tropical desert and second one is the temperate desert. So now the tropical deserts occurs in Saudi Arabia, Iran and Saudi Arabia, and Iran, Thar regions of India, the temperate or the mid-latitude desert or latitude deserts of Gobi and Tibet lie in Central Asia, covering Mongolia. Now climate. In the tropical deserts, the summers are very hot and the winters are cool. Hence, the difference between day and night temperature is high. The rainfall is very scanty. In the temperate desert, the summers are hot and the winters are very cold. The temperature remains below freezing point for over 6 months. Natural vegetation. The deserts are regions of scanty rainfall. The plants are such which can adapt themselves to the harsh environment by having long roots, waxy stems, spines instead of leaves, which will not allow too much of evaporation, transpiration. Date palms, cacti grow in the hot deserts. In the temperate desert, short shrubs and coarse grass grow. Wildlife. The camel is known as the sheep of the desert. As it can survive under the harsh desert environment, it can live without food and water for several days. It is chief animal of the hot deserts. The yak is the chief animal of the Tibetan desert. Other animals of the desert regions are rats, desert fox, lizard, scorpions, donkeys and many other types of insects. So these points related to the desert regions. Now the Mediterranean region.